The Czinger 21C Spyder is somehow more extreme than its predecessors. It's the third 21C variant from the Los Angeles-based builder, and it's more than an open-top option. The 21C Spyder debuts with an innovative integrated brake system that reduces unsprung mass and improves braking feel. The new brake system, called BrakeNode, consolidates the suspension upright, brake caliper, and hydraulic fluid pathways into a single component. Czinger says the new system reduces stopping distances by up to 15% compared to conventional brake setups while saving 1.5 pounds of unsprung mass at each wheel. The front calipers feature titanium pistons, which help keep the hydraulic fluid 15% cooler compared to brakes with stainless steel pistons. They clamp down on 16.1-inch front and 15.3-inch rear carbon ceramic rotors. A mechanical disc bell connects the brake rotor to the hub. The company claims the BrakeNode also allows for easier serviceability than traditional brakes because there is no need to disconnect the caliper to remove the pads or rotors. You can replace the pads by reaching through the top of the structure, while the rotors can be tilted out from the side. Czinger designed BrakeNode with a drain plug at the bottom for the hydraulic fluid. Familiar power, new package. The Czinger 21C Spyder features the same hybrid powertrain as the HDF. It is a twin-turbocharged 2.88-liter V8 engine paired with two electric motors on the front axle and a rear axle motor generator unit. The combined output is 1,250 horsepower and 691 pound-feet of torque. That's enough power to propel the car to 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. It can complete the quarter mile in 8.7 seconds and reach a top speed of 205 miles per hour. With the roof removed, the 21C can generate an astounding 3,267 pounds of downforce at 150 miles per hour. That increases to 3,307 pounds with the roof, matching the HDF's, with which it shares an aerodynamics package. Nearly 60% of the pressure is rear-biased, aiding high-speed stability. The Spyder features a full-length underbody diffuser that wraps around the rear subframe and gearbox. Said gearbox is a 7-speed, single-clutch transaxle setup. The car also has a 76-inch, swan neck rear wing. The Czinger 21C Spyder will have a starting price of $2.75 million. The company plans to build just 30 examples, all hand-built at its LA production facility, and it will offer customers extensive personalization options.